Clinical oncology at the University of Birmingham and also around the West Midlands is really cutting edge. We have one of the most high-tech hospitals, the Queen Elizabeth Hospital, right on site. We have some really cutting-edge preclinical and clinical research, a really dynamic clinical trials unit as well.
We built the curriculum of this program thinking of what would be really useful for our students. And they have an observership program, which means that the students are going to gain real-world exposure to what the clinical oncology is now in one of the major cancer centers in the country. We match our student with a consultant and expert in the field that more closely match their interests so they can develop a very tailored experience in terms of clinical observation.
The observership is certainly one of the biggest reasons why I chose clinical oncology in the University of Birmingham. It creates a unique opportunity for me to be able to not just have a theoretical-based knowledge, but also a clinic-based knowledge. So I'm able to compare and apply what I've learned in class and see how it translates in the clinic.
I got supervised by the hematology consultant pharmacist, so I got much experience from him. I realized there is much gap in the Indonesia and the UK, so I will use my experience in the clinical observership to my workplace in Indonesia later.
In Africa, we don't exactly use immunotherapy, and I've been able to see its application, how it's used, and how it's an option in advanced world, and the benefits patients derive from it.
Oncology is one of the most dynamic fields in terms of work opportunities. So most of our students will go ahead and gain roles in the field of clinical oncology in the hospital settings, but also in clinical trial unit, in pharmas, and in research institutions. But others will pursue a more academic career, electing to go into PhD programs.
This master's has actually helped me secure a fully funded PhD in behavioral science and evaluation, and I'll actually be working on healthcare system strengthening in the UK.
You learn about what the latest treatments are, but you also learn where things are going to and how things work, how we look to see where the next technologies are going to come from.
The University of Birmingham exposed our students to a fantastic portfolio of projects and opportunities to develop their career.